inside, I'll show you how to disable Google Internet Edge on your computer, Windows 10 computer. So for that, first of all, you have to open the Internet Explorer, sorry, the command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Okay. Then next you have to find out the location of the Microsoft Edge. And application, inside application, it's the latest update is in the folder number 90. So this has to be very important. Maybe it might be 80. Then this is the folder, installer folder. So for this one you have to copy, or there is a URL which is available already, you can see in the Google. So you have to copy the same, the location of the installer. So then go to the specific PC and the command prompt, open as a administrator, and this 8 has to change and put it in 9 because the update, latest update is in the 9. So then just enter. So now we are already entered to that particular location. Now the next command here we have to enter, that is, this is the command we need to enter: setup uninstall force uninstall system level. So we are just need to copy that same command on that specific PC and enter. Now you can see that disappeared. The Microsoft Edge has disappeared within the seconds. So now we are we uninstalled that Microsoft Edge from this. Next, if you want to disable that app, you need to go to the program C, Windows, then app, program apps. Then need to find out the Microsoft Edge folder. See, this is Microsoft Edge folder. So just need to rename this one like old. Continue. So it's done now. So this is how to uninstall Microsoft Edge and disable it. Okay, thank you.